Hello guys, Asif here from Asif Reviews. Today we are reviewing Monarch. So basically, Monarch is a new software that is made to earn money while copying and pasting only. So let's know more about this. So this is 2022. Ready app is controversial but 100% legal. One click app gets free Facebook traffic in 19 seconds and makes us $27 to $47 clickbank commissions over and over again. So no tech skills required needed, no waiting, no nonsense. We get autopilot income from Facebook. We are receiving a non-stop loop of $27 to $47 payments. Copy and paste, simple, zero hard work required. Super easy. Even my 12-year son could do this. So we can say it's too simple. We can profit from any device, computer, phone or tablet. 365-day money back guarantee. Plus we will send $300 if you fail. So guys, according to all this information, it's look very nice and interesting. And I have already
Wow.
uploaded this video on my channel. You will get the link in description box. So if you are interested in buying Monarch, you can just buy only in $17 one time price. If you are interested in buying Monarch, you can get the link in description box. And guys, I have already uploaded its demo video on my channel. You will also get the link in description box. And with all this, I'll provide you some special bonuses, those you are not getting with anywhere. One of them are how to start affiliate marketing. One more bonus is how can you sell your course online while recording, and how can you make email if you are a newbie, and many more bonuses I provide if you buy from my link given in the description box. To grab all these bonuses, you just need to share payment proof of Monarch on my Instagram. Over there I will share all the bonuses. So let's know more about this. You will also get the link of Instagram in the description box. So these are some basic information. These are some testimonials. What is interesting here? So let's know more about what they are providing with Monarch. These are some normal things. So here, this is interesting thing. Everything you need to crush it is included with Monarch. Monarch 100% brand new system. You can operate Monarch from any computer or mobile phone as long as it's connected to the internet. That means Windows, Mac, Android and iPhone will work. It's very common. Monarch monetization. You can call this the secret sauce of Monarch. It's what allows us to exploit this 950 billion metaverse who loophole and get paid 27 to $47 over and over again. The special link of copy and pasting. Monarch pay link technology. You have likely heard me talking about a special link that we copy and paste right. It's a key component of Monarch and makes it possible for us to literally make money for copying and pasting. Monarch step by step training. We will show you everything you need to know about Monarch in the precise detail so you can make the most out of your purchase. So Monarch free support. Have any question or issue with Monarch? No problem. Our support team is on standby 24/7 ready to help you out. We will do everything in our power to keep you satisfied and to help make you money. So make money or we will pay you $250. Have any question or issue with Monarch? No problem. Our support team is on standby 24/7 ready to help you out. We will do everything in our power to keep you satisfied and to help make you money. So again, if you are interested in buying Monarch, you can check the link in the description box. Let's know more about this. And it's absolutely zero scummy hidden fees. We have all seen the systems that leave a crucial piece out and require you to buy extra tools to make it work. Ah, I hate those products as much as you do. Monarch is not one of those products. You won't need to purchase expensive tools like hosting, funnel builders, domains, autoresponders. None of those headaches. You all you need is a copy of Monarch and you are good to go. Monarch is a complete all-in-one system that's making us money for copying and pasting. The, the same system that's making us a life-changing income. So anyone can do this, including you. Sounds great, but how much will Monarch cost me? It's only $27. Sorry, $17. I don't want your money. Let's know more about this. So here's the main thing, the bonuses. You will also unlock access to these bonuses worth thousands when you grab Monarch. Only available for fast action takers. $15,000 in 7 days with the done for you kit. This is bonus number one. Swipe the exact same products and offer in the same niches that Monarch us that made us $15,000 and $321 and 92 cents in 7 days. You can use these in your own stores in just a couple of clicks. The value is $397. The bonus number two is $300 per day accelerator. What you have with Monarch is great by itself, but more is better. Don't you agree? It's always good to have additional streams of income instead of relying on one. That's why we are including a bonus that shows you how we added an extra income stream of $300 per day to our business. The best part is you don't need any prior experience, zero technical skills required, no hefty investment needed. It only takes 15 minutes to implement. The income comes in on autopilot. You don't have to be a genius to figure it out. Just follow the steps we show you and you will be good to go. The value is $397. And bonus number 3 is a free traffic machine. In order to make profits with Monarch, you will need visitors to come to your online store, and although there is built-in traffic included which is working for us. What if we could get even more traffic? Is that something you would be interested in? If so, you are in luck. We are going to give you a free bonus that reveals how we are getting free viral traffic from a little known source. And here is what you are going to love. You don't need to spend an extra penny to get the traffic. These visitors are super targeted and love to buy. The traffic is viral and spreads like a virus. It multiplies itself. Virtually nobody else is doing this. So it's working like gangbusters. This turn allows us to receive even more payments and scale our business higher. Like the sound of that? To get this bonus, just pick up a copy of Monarch right now. We will only be offering this to the early bird users, so hurry. Value $397. And the bonus number 4 is online store, weird and profitable niches. With any online store, there is one important thing: you must be in the proper niche. If you don't, you are setting yourself up for failure. You could have the best product in the world, work your butt off, and still fail. I had I would hate for that to happen to you. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a free bonus that shows you how to find the most profitable niches. Why weird and embracing niches are usually the most profitable, the secret to find proven products that are already making millions of dollars. My technique for finding micro niches that have higher demand yet low competition. If you pick up Monarch, it's super important that you take advantage of this bonus because it will give you an advantage over everyone else. It's worth $397. Guys, I'm also providing the bonuses how to choose right niche. So with this bonus and with my bonus, you will get more clear about how to choose profitable niches. And bonus number 5 is $3,000 in 24 hours blueprint. If you are looking for something that brings in income right now, this is it. In this step by step over the shoulder training, you are going to see the exact steps we took to make $3,000 in 24 hours. The best part about this all, we made this money from scratch. I couldn't have been dead broke with $0 in my bank account and still made $3,000 within the time span of 24 hours. Just follow the steps we show you inside and you will be set up for success. Worth $397. So guys, if you are interested in buying Monarch, just click the link in the description box and you will visit this official page. After this, you will reach this sales page where you will get only in $17.35, not on $297. So surprise bonus. First 100 buyers get Monarch or Atomic upgrade. Average user makes an extra $200 to $300 daily. So I love to spoil action takers, so I'm going to be throwing in something super special. See, we have figured out a way to bring in $200 to $300 extra every single day in profits with Monarch, all by leveraging a strategy that nobody else is using. Call it unfair, but it works. Enabling you to work less, see quicker results, make more. This bonus is another way of rewarding those who take action. And speaking of taking action, this will only be available to the first 100 buyers. After that, you will stop offering it. So if you like the sound of all of this, don't let the opportunity miss you. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Monarch along with this special bonus. So guys, you can click the link if you are interested in buying. So it's another action time. Path 1, do nothing. Path 2, get Monarch. uh, if you take Monarch, finally breakthrough, stop struggling, live the laptop lifestyle, stop buying products, make a full-time income online. There is something you can't mess up. If you know how to copy and paste and press a few buttons, then that's all you need to know. So guys, it's 100% risk free. So let's know the conclusion. Let's revisit everything you are getting today with Monarch. Monarch brand new system, value $2,997. Monarch one click monetization, value $497. Monarch Pay Link technology, value $397. Copy and paste technology, value $997. step-by-step training videos, $397. Bonus number one, $15,000 in 7 days with the DFY kit, value $397. Bonus number two is $300 per day accelerator, value $397. Bonus number three is free traffic machine, value $397. Bonus number four is online store weird and profitable niches, value $397. Bonus number five is $3,000 in 24 hours blueprint, worth $397. Total value of everything you get today $6,873. So today only one time price is $17. Get instant access now and special one time offer Monarch hypercharged. Put your Monarch account on a faster server. Average user profits $300 extra only. 89% discount of customers choose this add-on, and you have guys 36 minutes left. When you visit the page, you would have timer. So guys, if you are satisfied with my review, you can like thumbs up and if you want to buy Monarch, check the link in description box, and don't forget to share the payment proof on my Instagram. Over there I'll share all the bonuses those I have promised. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Also comment if you have any suggestion.